Welcome to Da Nang. This is a quick weather update and this is how it looks right now. Just walking by here. This Z Coffee, not Z Coffee, Z Bar and Lounge. And this is pretty nice, yeah? I'm wondering if they could run it again or if it's just out of order at all. But yeah, this is the reality check right now, today, on December 21, I think. My God, look at this. Since this is not a good weather channel, this is a reality channel, I'm gonna give you this one too. Oh my God, it's getting stronger and stronger. But it stopped raining for a bit and now it's went on crazy like again. I see my nice Aussie guy. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Yeah, this is how you spot the Aussie. Oh God, look at this. Now I have to make a big step. Ha! Beautiful weather, huh? It's almost like Melbourne at 4 p.m. My God, now it's a little bit. Yeah, I don't know what's going on now. Check this out, guys. It stopped for 30 minutes and now it's went back. So if you appreciate my efforts here, hit the like button and subscribe. Oh my God. Jeez. Alright, but you can still walk, kinda dry. I'm walking, they're gonna be wet. Maybe you should get some Crocs for this weather. Guys, look at this. Wow, this is crazy. People still driving motorbikes in this weather. That will never change. Just like northern German people say, we are not made out of sugar. But maybe I am. Let's sit down there. Let's go to the Sun Coffee. Let's go to the left. Check this out. Someone is live streaming here. All right. All right, guys, now it's stopped. Perfect. One coffee later and now it's stopped raining again. People walking around normal again, but who knows, it will probably rain again. Yeah, it's a little bit windy right now, but this is just normal December. Christmas time, it is wet. Sometimes we're lucky, it's dry and it dries up pretty quick, but you gotta be always prepared to have an umbrella with you and plan accordingly. When it's raining, relax somewhere indoor. So beach, obviously, not the best time of the year now. Also here, pavement report. It's a parking lot here. So you actually have to walk on the street. Oh, and it's working here a little bit. Yeah, sometimes it's a little bit tricky to get around with the umbrella here. But yeah, I'm gonna walk and check out Antung 34. I'm gonna show you a little sneaky route. And I don't know why Game On Bar is closed, but maybe they're opening later. Nothing has changed here. This building was demolished and they don't build yet. I don't know why. But I think it's gonna happen maybe after the rainy season. Maybe after when it's getting warmer again. But yeah, I mean, building in the heat is also pretty tough. I would rather do it now, to be honest. With a little bit of rain, it's better than in this super hot summer. Also Marcus here, he went here and changed his battery of his MacBook and it worked good, he said. It's brand new. I think this is the closest one in our neighborhood here. So what's happening over here? Shamrock, sports bar, Irish bar. You can see the Irish flags here. And there's a big construction site over there. But the majority of the construction sites are gone because they are already built. But this is still missing. 2 buildings are missing now. But this year's new. This year's kinda new. I already reviewed this one time. And then the one right next to it also new. Lots of electric motorbikes here for rent. But obviously when it is rainy, no one wants to drive. At least I would not want to drive. We're gonna walk now a little sneaky route and gonna go to Antung 4 because I gotta meet Sunshine Bloke at the tattoo artist. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Look how stylish this building looks here. What will this be? Very interesting, guys. Look at this. I mean, it looks a little bit weird, those little windows, but this looks like it's gonna be it looks like a big kitchen. Maybe it's gonna be a coffee shop or not sure. And check this big thing out here. I believe this is a part of a building. They're doing these kind of parts and they assemble it on the building, which is in the same street as here. And here you got some just random stuff here. Gonna take a sneaky route here. Ah! As you can hear, the Banbao guy is also working with a raincoat. Now it's getting windy. So the Banbao guy is driving actually on the pavement now. We are in the Antung 3 Street. Recycling over here. We're gonna go to Antung 4 Street. There we go. I think it should be here somewhere. Sunshine Bloke David is getting tatted up with his 66 years old. Oh my god. Check this out. I almost tripped here. Gotta always be careful, guys. Keep an eye open. There we go, the hangout. Let's check it out. All right, guys. So he's getting a cover up. His arm. Ay. Well, look at this. There's a Porsche in there. Porsche with a Hanoi number plate. Interesting. This is how it looks right now. Grab is still driving, but I will not order anything because wifey cooked healthy. Oh, ooh. It's brand new. 20K for a coffee. Free workspace. Event space. It's brand new. Café Commune. Interesting. Look at this. For all my digital nomad friends here. It looks like something to work with. Guys, every day something changes here. Places are kind of packed. Everything is sitting. It's very interesting, even though it's low season, still restaurants here are kind of crowded. But it's definitely nothing close to high season. You see it on the beach, how full it is there. But now still people out there, not walking around, but definitely eating out. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.